Hi everyone, I'm Kate. Today I would like to show you how to use the Luminesce Youth Restoring Cleanser. First of all, put the product down. Wash your hand with the water. And then wet your face with the warm water. Now you twist the product and apply the product into your hands. Don't forget to twist to close it back. And then massage gently till you can see the gel turn into the foam. Now gently apply onto your face. Gently clean your face in circular motion for 30 seconds. In case that you have your makeup on, if you want to clean it a little bit longer, that is okay as well. Don't forget around your neck. Try to avoid the gel go into your eyes. If it does go to your eyes, rinse it out with the water. Okay, now I think we got 30 seconds done. Okay, now we're gonna clean your face with the water. Okay, now grab your towel and gently dry your face. I mean gently do this to dry your face. Do not do like this. Also your neck. Alright, now we have a clean, healthy face, ready for the next step, which is the Luminesce Cellular Rejuvenation Serum. Thank you for watching. Hi everyone, I'm Kay. Today I'm going to show you how to use the skincare products of the Luminesce. After I have shown you already how to wash your face with the Luminesce Youth Restoring Cleanser, after you wash your face, leave some water still on your face so that you can apply the serum. So this is the Luminesce Cellular Rejuvenation Serum, and this is how I apply. I shake the bottle a little bit to activate the ingredient. Then I palm it into my fingertips. Gently rub it. Then I apply into my cheek, my forehead and my chin, and my neck. Then using the upward sweeping motion to let the serum go deep into your skin. Okay? Then let the serum completely absorb into your skin for 10-20 seconds. And after using the serum, if it's a daytime, we're gonna use Luminesce Daily Moisturizing Complex. And how to use? I apply into my fingertips again. Rub it gently. Then I apply into my cheek, my forehead and cheek, and my neck. Then the same, using our sweeping motion to apply the skin deeply into your skin. Then after apply, you wait a little bit for the moisturizing to completely absorb into your skin, and then you're ready for your daily makeup. And for the nighttime, after the serum in the nighttime, you follow with Luminate Night Advanced Repair. How to use the product is the same way with the daily moisturizing. The difference is you just need to use the spatula to apply the cream into your fingerprint. Do not use your finger. How to use? Open this and use a spatula. Take the cream, put in your fingertips, rub it, and use the same way with the daily cream. Just apply into your cheek, your forehead and chin, and then your neck. Again, using the upward sweeping motion to apply the cream into your skin. Wait till it's completely absorbed into your skin. And now you are ready to have your beautiful sleep. Thank you for watching.